What's up, guys? Today I'm going to do another tobacco review. I'm going to be talking about MacBaren's Honey and Chocolate, okay, which is an aromatic, and it sounds good. Hopefully it is. I'd like to remind everyone at this point that these videos are for a mature audience, okay, people of age to smoke, wherever you may live, whatever that age may be for you in your country. I'm not promoting any kind of underage smoking. If you are underage watching these videos, I just hope that it's just for the information, and that's all. Please don't think smoking's cool, because it's not, and it will hurt your body. So anyway, now that I made that clear, let's talk about this. Yeah, MacBaren's Honey and Chocolate comes in a 3.5-ounce tin here. This one, just like all of the tobaccos I've done thus far, came from pipesandcigars.com. They're charging $8.03 for this, all right, which I think is a very good price. It is nighttime outside, but I'm going to attempt to go out there because people do want to see the smoking as I'm talking and stuff, you know. So I'm going to try to get some light out there and enjoy this. And I'm going to see what this is all about. This is a straight Black Cavendish, air cured with the toppings or flavorings of honey and chocolate. All right. I can see on the tin here it says loose cut. By the way, someone had asked me, someone had been very observant, and they noticed that on these MacBarens there's a little line in the bottom, and some of them have the little dot, you know, different places across the line. This does directly indicate the strength of the tobacco. Okay, starting all the way on the side, there is either a 1, there's no numbers on here, but there's a spot for the 1, which is just a little bit in. This one, which is a 2, and if it was over more, it'd be a 3. 1 being the least strong or most mild, and then 2 is a little bit stronger, and then 3 is the strongest. So it's something to be noted. Not everyone talks about that. In fact, I didn't even know that until the person asked me. I thought, it's a good question. I went to the MacBaren's website, and that's what it is. So a little interesting thing there. If you want to know right off the bat, it shows you the strength on the tin. So pretty cool. When you bust this open, you are greeted by an amazing honey and chocolate smell. It's predominantly chocolate. I mean, this smells exactly like a good quality baking chocolate, just with honey smeared all over it. That's exactly what it smells like. No surprises here. A very good, rich, dark chocolate, but still like baking chocolate. Not really super dark chocolate. There's still some sweetness there on the smell. And then you get that little bit of honey. So I'd be very pleased if this thing actually tastes like it smells, because it smells absolutely delicious. And like I said, it's just a straight Black Cavendish. There's no surprises here. It's a coarse cut Black Cavendish. All right, so what you see is what you get. I'm going to be smoking this in one of my favorite new little pipes. It's the cheapest pipe I have, but I'm enjoying it, and I'm breaking it in. It's a miniature corn cob. Now, I got this one locally for 99 cents. I got 3 of them, and the other 2 have like the black stems on them. Very simple, a 99-cent pipe. If you're looking to get into pipe smoking, if you are an adult, not a child, I'm not promoting any kind of smoking for children. I'm not really promoting smoking for adults either. The reason I do these videos are people who already smoke or maybe want to veer off of cigarettes to something just a little bit healthier. Not that smoking's healthy, but that's really the purpose of these videos. And for my own experience, I'm just kind of documenting by video. But anyway, it's the regular size corn cobs are awesome. That's what I was looking for. My local tobacconist only had these minis, but for 99 cents, how can you go wrong? I did look, and pipesandcigars.com happens to sell a bunch of different corn cobs. I should have picked up a couple when I was doing the checkout thing. But they have miniatures as well for I think like $1.29 or $1.49, something like that. So if you wanted to try some different tobaccos but you didn't have a pipe, people keep asking me, what's a great first pipe? Honestly, whatever you really enjoy. I wouldn't go out and spend a bunch of money on the stuff if you don't know you're going to like it. So for 99 cents, or in their case like $2, you really can't beat it. So I'm going to be packing this one up. It's a smaller bowl, so I may have 2 of them just to get a better feel for the tobacco. But I'm going to go outside and hopefully get some light going, and we'll continue with this review out there. Alright guys, I'm out here by the light, so hopefully you can see me fine. Viewfinder looks like you can see me alright. The problem is, in order to get close enough to the light, I have to stand. That's not so relaxing, but it's okay. I'm going to light this up and see what we got. Got a full bowl of this chocolate and honey, so let's see what this is all about.
drop my tamper. Into the snow and ice, of course. It's actually going really good right off the first light. It's a nice, interesting surprise. See how that's going? Alright, so maybe I don't need a relight right away. So far, so good. It's got an actual chocolate taste. The chocolate is accenting the actual tobacco. It's not like just chocolate in your mouth. Tastes good though. Taste is pretty good. It's definitely got a little chocolatey thing going on. Try to get that burning note. It's not bad. It's actually not like I thought it would be. Some tobaccos tend to taste like just okay, and they're not that great, and then they smell like really delicious. This one kind of tastes better, but the room note doesn't smell like amazing or anything. Actually, I take that back. As you're kind of puffing along, especially with this tiny little nose warmer, you know, you can't help but get some of that, you know, smell that's coming off the pipe. It is pretty good. It smells like dark chocolate brownies. Alright, well, I'm going to continue with this. I may or may not pack it again depending on how long this lasts, because it is a small bowl. So I'll get back with you either at the end of this bowl or like towards the middle of the next one. Alright guys, bowl's empty. Here's the conclusion on this one. Tastes fantastic. And I got, again, what's known as MacBite. This stuff, I mean, they make really good flavors, but it just, for me, it burns way too hot. I really took my time with this one. I try not to smoke it fast or anything, really rest it down for a while. And although I enjoy the flavor, it's just, it just burns too hot. The Cavendish, I don't know how they actually put the flavorings or casings into it or onto it or whatever, but tastes amazing. It's just the smoke itself is too hot for the mouth and it starts to irritate you. So I'm only going to have the one bowl here. I'm going to call it quits and say it's a really good smoke if you really, really, really smoke slow. That's pretty much it. So overall, I liked it. It's just the fact that it's burning hot. It's not something I would want to personally revisit. That's all. Just my personal taste. But if you found that other MacBaren, you know, tobaccos, like if you found that the Cherry Ambrosia you tried and it did not smoke hot for you, for your personal taste, then by all means definitely check this out because it has a fantastic flavor. And the room note is just awesome. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it as always, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Take care.